Hello everyone, this is Will again and welcome to the McCormick House 2-Minute Tour. I'll be your guide as we explore areas of the museum usually off limits to visitors. Today we'll be on the second floor roof just outside this guest room window. In 1944, Robert McCormick married Marilyn Hooper. That union gave Robert two stepdaughters, Anne and Alice, who were in their early 20s in 1944. Both were college students in Chicago, but enjoyed long weekends and holidays here at Cantigny. On these metal roof tiles between the old and the new sections of the house, Anne and Alice would sunbathe. They chose this location because you could get a great tan and lots of privacy. This part of the house is rarely accessed now. People only come here for roof maintenance and gutter cleaning. It does offer a nice view of the museum's north lawn. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this McCormick 2-Minute Tour. Please go to cantigny.org or Cantigny's various social media outlets for more information about programs and events.